What's the meaning of by-election? By-election. By-election.
By-election. By-election. By-election refers to an election held to fill a vacancy in a public office that occurs between general elections. These elections are usually held when a member of parliament, councillor, or other elected representative resigns or passes away. The results of by-elections can be an important indicator of public opinion and can potentially impact the balance of power in government. In a by-election, voters in the affected constituency cast ballots to choose a new representative. The candidate who receives the most votes is then elected to the vacant office. By-elections are typically lower turnout affairs than general elections, but they can still be highly contested and closely watched by political observers. Ultimately, by-election results can have significant ramifications for the political landscape both locally and nationally.